Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today I would like to talk to you about gel varnish and how enthusiastic I am about it. For more than, probably close to 15 years, I have been doing my nails with acrylic. I used to go to this salon, there are so many in central London, and I got tired of their nastiness and how they speak in their language, and even they cut my nails. I have never seen them washing or disinfecting their utensils, so always tipping. So if you calculate me doing my nails every 18 days, probably I have done my nails 20 times per year, and if you multiply every single time spending around £25-30 makes it £600, multiplied by 10 years makes it easily £6,000 I spent on this. So when I came across the gel polish, I saw it on Amazon and being sold in this box, and also having the machine, the UV LED machine, I thought, let's try that, because I got tired of doing my nails, paying so well, tipping so well, and not being recognized for this. Enough is enough. So for a while I stayed without anything, without acrylic or gel polish, and I was disappointed with my nails because they grow very fast, but they break so easily. So even applying all kind of fortifiers and nail varnish on top did not work. I said, okay, let's use the gel polish. So I followed the instructions they say here in this booklet using Laguna Moon. I tried already twice, and they say it's very important to apply everything thinly and not going over the edges. I follow this every single time. This is the third time I'm doing them, and well, my nail polish, my gel polish lasted over 1 week, so probably like 8-9 days. It says there that it should last 2 weeks, did not, so I'm still experimenting, trying to find the best solution. So as you saw there, I already started buffing my nails, making sure I don't have any oils remaining on my nails. Then step 2 was to pull the cuticles away in order to prepare the nail and make sure I don't put any of the polish on top of the cuticles and everything, because otherwise it's going to get into the edges and is going to affect you 1 week later. Step 3 was preparing the nail with the nail primer, which you saw there. I bought it separately. And step 4 was applying the base coat. I applied it very thin, not going over the edges. As I said, these 2 rules are very, very important. And as you saw on the right hand side corner, I like using this magnifying mirror in order to help me avoid mistakes. I like magnifying everything, and it's powered by this LED, so I can see everything beautifully. Step 5 was curing the nails, as you saw there, for 60 seconds, purely because my machine is very, very strong, so my fingers keep dancing in the machine. I can't keep them for long. What I want to do in the future is to buy a pair of gloves, fabric gloves, and just cut the fingertip, and in order to protect my fingers and my hand if I am to go with my hand deeper in the machine. For the machine I pay £28. There are machines at 29, but I prefer to buy something a bit more expensive, so I pay £28. And for this set of 6 varnishes, as you saw there, I paid £10. So very good value for money. Already this is the 3rd time I'm doing it, so I'm happy. Right, then afterwards you have to repeat again. You apply the base coat, again you apply, you cure the nail, so do this twice. Then you apply the gel polish, as you see here, again thinly, just the way you applied the base coat, and you cure the nails again for 60 seconds, every single time for 60 seconds. If you're not happy with the color, you can apply again this gel polish. Mine is in pink and it's a bit sparkly. And again, you cure your nails for 60 seconds. So again, you do this twice. And the last process is, the end of the process is to apply the top coat, which you apply only once, and you cure the nails for 60 seconds. So basically, there are 5 repeating steps you have to do. I put all the steps in the preparation steps, so altogether there are 8 steps, I would say. So I'm so enthusiastic about the usage of this gel polish. I don't have to depend on anybody else. The only thing is, as I said, mine lasted some 8-9 days, and afterwards they started peeling, as I showed at the beginning of this video. Because they peel so beautifully, I feel like peeling. I can't stop. It's like when you have some bubble wrap in your fingers and you feel like pressing the bubbles to get the air out. That is how I feel when I when my varnish starts peeling off. I have no idea why. Maybe I should experiment with a new one, which surely I'm going to do in the future. So keep in touch with me. I hope this was of any information to you. It's going to help you save lots of money. So thank you for watching, and